I'm sure you already know how important video content are for your business, and thanks to AI, video content creation has been made easy such that you don't have to sit in the front of the camera to actually record marketing content or other kind of content for your business or your brand. And that is why when my Flow AI credits ran out, I was desperately searching for how to get extra credit to continue creating the videos that I was creating for a client whom I was going to run ads for. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I got extra 2,500 Flow AI credits to continue creating videos as I like. And I'm going to be showing you how to get access to Flow AI for 15 extra months for free without paying any dime. Alright, so welcome to this channel. My name is Mary Adole, and here we talk about how to make money online and also a whole lot on sales, marketing and advertising. If you stay to the end of this tutorial, you're going to be seeing exactly how to go about this. Now let's get straight into it without wasting time. So while trying to create a video, I discovered that I couldn't. Then I got an error message with a prompting to get more credit. So I was surprised because I thought that my 1 month free trial covers video creation for the entire month. Hence, I was using the credits as I liked. So this is to let you know that different versions of Flow AI uses different amounts of credit, as you can see here. So this one that is selected here, the view too fast, is having 10 credit for this generation based on your current settings. So sometimes you'd need 10 credit, and other times you'd need 20 or sometimes even 100, and you will have to adjust accordingly to save more credit. So I think that there is actually still a way to save or to ensure that your setting allows you to use minimal credit, because according to them here, they said each generation uses 10 credit based on your current set. So this place was actually reading 0 credits, but to get the extra credit, I simply clicked on get more AI credits, and then it took me to this interface you're going to be seeing. And then I went on to purchase 2,500 credits at this amount, right? So for you, it's going to be displaying in your currency. So this is 35,000 naira, 35,500 naira Nigerian naira. So it's going to be rendering in your own currency. So you're going to be prompted to pay with the card details that you used when you first signed up with your account for the 1 month access. But then if you want to change the payment method, you can actually go ahead and do that from here directly by clicking on the card and then coming to this. So if you already have more than one card saved here, you can use any of them, right? But if you want to add another card, you can simply click on add card. But then if you want that new payment method you're adding to also be saved on your Google Play account, so that you can also use it to make purchases for other Google services, all you simply need to do is to open another tab and then go to navigate to your Google Play, and to do that, click on your Google profile icon here and then go to manage your Google account. Then from here, you're going to be seeing payments and subscriptions. Click on payments and subscriptions and then come to manage payments methods. And from here, you're going to be able to either remove an existing card or add a new payment method. So after you've added a new payment method, you may also now need to connect it to your Flow AI or your Gemini account. So you just simply come to subscriptions and services and then come to manage. So you can see that it's only one account that is saved here for my Gemini account or for my Gemini subscription. So you're simply going to click on manage and then be able to add another card, so that it's going to automatically reflect when you want to make purchase for new credit. So once you click on that card that you want to make payments with, it's now going to ask you for the card details and other information. The payment is really seamless. I was actually surprised how short it took for me to actually purchase the credit. And then the credit is made available to you, and you can now go on to use it as you like. Now I'm going to show you how to access this Gemini AI and be able to create unlimited videos without even having to pay for free, right? So you have to access it by coming to this site, and it says collect students get a free upgrade of Gemini through finals of 2026. So this is for students, all right? And some institutions are affiliated with this platform, not all institutions and definitely not all countries. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this website on my WhatsApp community, right? So people in my WhatsApp community, you're going to be seeing that link there. If you're not already in the community, you can just check the description of this video for the community link. I'm going to be pinning the link there so that you can access it and then check to see if your country is eligible for this offer. But let's click on get offer to see if my country, Nigeria, is currently eligible for this. And it is not. So it says this account isn't eligible for Google AI plan, but that is a flex. Trust me, 15 months of free access to Gemini to be able to use all their, tools, including View 3, View 2, and all the other, amazing tools that comes with Gemini. So I also discovered that Gemini is also, embedded in other Google tools, like even Google Gmail, your Google Drive, and all that. So I'm just beginning to learn about this Gemini, although I know it's been here for a while and people have been using it, but I'm just beginning to learn about it with the coming of Flow AI and all. So that's it about how to get extra credits for Flow AI and be able to access View 3 or 2 to create unlimited video content, and also how to attempt getting it for free for 15 months. So you just go and check it out to see if your country is going to be eligible for that offer. All right. And like I said earlier, I'm going to be leaving the link to that platform on my WhatsApp community so that you can, be able to ask. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor, hit on the subscribe button and also turn on notification, like this video, share with your friends, drop a comment if you have any concerns or anything. And I've actually been creating a lot of videos around View 3 lately. And if you're interested, you can check it, in the description and then go on to watch and enjoy. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.